Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well. Hope you guys are doing okay. Thank you for watching this video today. Thank you for clicking, thank you for tuning in. I always appreciate when someone clicks on this video, watch and makes a comment. I do appreciate it. I have an unboxing for you guys from Niellsc Creation. This is my third unboxing from this brand. Niellsc is a YouTuber. All of her details will be in the description box for you. She launched her clothing brand and beautiful bonnets and hair accessories, and she just recently launched her clothing line. And you might have already seen this on Instagram, but I'm just going to do the unboxing for you guys. And again, all of her details will be below. This is the packaging right here. We are just going to open this up. And you know, the package is beautiful. I mean, look at that. This is what you get when you open up your package from Niellsc Creation. How gorgeous is that? And of course it wraps right around. I just cut it here because I've already opened the package. And there we be. Beautiful, gorgeous packaging. You guys are going to see videos coming up. And here we be. This is a beautiful box. When you open up the box, this is what you see on the inside. Beautiful, gorgeous packaging. And Niellsc, congratulations again. You are doing a fantastic job. Every single order you get, of course, you get her business card. And all the details of this, again, will be below. And you get a scrunchie. And of course, you know, I like to put the scrunchies on my hand. Just leave it on the hand, just for, just as a style or whatever. It's for your hair. But, you know, of course, you know, fashion and style can be anything. I mean, this could be just like a wrist accessory. And here we are with a beautiful dress. I'm just going to put this box on the floor, and here we are. And this is the beautiful dress right here. I love this fabric, first of all. I absolutely love this fabric. You have this sort of African theme going on, where you do have the elephants, and you do have you know, the people here with the drums, and you have the zigzag white going across the black and the orange color. It is just really, really beautiful. Look at this fabric. It is so beautiful. The dress is gorgeous. Let me just show you some details on this dress, just in case you haven't noticed. This is a V-neck. Okay, here we be. It is a V-neck dress. You will see this on in a second. And one of the most beautiful things about this dress is the black and white contrast detail on the sleeve. Very pretty, very ingenious of you, Niellsc. I don't know how you came up with this idea. This is beautiful. This tells me that Niellsc has her eye when it comes to colors and when it comes to design. This is very ingenious. It put a whole different dimension to this dress. And it's like a boat neck cut to the back, and of course here it is on the other side. You have two beautiful deep pockets, really deep in both sides, and it fits just above the knee. And I just want to show you, you may not be able to see this, but this is the tail end of the dress. Beautifully stitched, not a thread out of place. Okay, my loves, let's take a look at this dress on. This dress is so pretty. I really, really love the colors of this dress. It is just the most beautiful thing ever. And what makes this dress so special to me is the beautiful black and white contrast on the sleeve. Really add a different dimension to the dress, and it really tells me that, you know, Niellsc has an eye for design and colors and fabrics and all of that. Two beautiful deep pockets to the side. It fits just above the knee. And I am wearing a size 14. I just threw in some jewelry with this, and it looks really good. And I'm just going to show you guys some pictures of some jewelry that I did put on with this dress. I mean, anything will do, because the pattern of this dress is so dimensional. You can wear this with any kind of jewelry. You can dress this up, dress this down, pair of tall boots, black tights, a crossbody bag, and your coat and a scarf, and you are just good to go for the winter. It is beautiful. It is not too thin, not too thick. It wears beautiful. Love this dress. Again, all of the details will be in the description box for you guys. I think this is a knockout for a launch from Niellsc, and again, congratulations, you did a fantastic job, and I think you've chosen the right pattern, the right design for a launch of your brand. I think it's really, really, really beautiful. And you know, to me, support means everything, and I would really encourage you guys to send her a DM on Instagram. Again, check the description box for all of her shopping details. She's gonna get back to you in no time. When you send Niellsc a DM, she's gonna get back to you ASAP. Shipping is really quick, and she sends you all of the shipping details. It is amazing, and I would really encourage you guys to check her out. Tell her Odette sent you. Okay, and it's very, very important that when you receive your product to do a review, because reviews are important for brands. It really helps the business to grow. So I would really encourage you to give her some support. She will definitely appreciate it. And again, beautiful, gorgeous dress. I love it. And here we be. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video with me showing off this beautiful, gorgeous dress. You can tell that I love it. When I love something, I love to share. And of course, Niellsc, you know, whatever you're selling, I'm going to buy. You've got my support. You know that. You know that, darling. You know that. And I'm so happy with my purchase. I am 100% extremely happy with this beautiful, gorgeous dress. And on that note, I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Please check her out. You are going to love this dress. Bye!